Hi, my dear students. This is for class 8. We are going to learn class 8 lessons. Part Tera. Part means lesson. Tera is a figure. 13. Part Tera. Lesson 13. Mahatma Gandhi. So we are going to learn about Mahatma Gandhi's history. So it starts here. Class 7. Here I'm going to explain the lesson. Mahatma Gandhi, Part 13. We are going to learn about the life history of Mahatma Gandhi. Whatever he did for the country, we are going to read in this lesson. Before we go through this lesson, I'm going to read out some word meanings of this lesson, which are very important. The meaning are agraniya. अग्रगण्य means गणना में पहले आने वाले, leading person. महापुरुष, बड़ा आदमी, great personage. प्रभावित, असर होना, influence. आधुनिक, वर्तमान, modern. वकालत, वकील का काम, advocacy. स्वतंत्रता, आजादी, independence. कर्तव्य, फर्ज, duty. मार्ग, राह, रास्ता, पथ. path, route, road. हत्या, कत्ल, murder. अत्याचार, किसी के साथ किया जाने वाला अनुचित तथा अमानुषिक व्यवहार, टॉर्चर और माल ट्रीटमेंट. असहयोग, सहयोग न मिलना, नॉन कोऑपरेशंस. So another word meanings that I had made for you is that here class 8. Class 8, this is class 8, okay? Part 13 Mahatma Gandhi, some word meanings that I have done for you. Write the word meanings. Janm, born or birth. Pariksha, examinations. Dakshin, south. Aaj, middle, midst, among. Andolan, movement. Mukadma, case. Adarsho, ideal role model. Sarkar, government. Angrez, English. Angrezo, English people or British or Britisher. Virudh, against. Vishwa, world. Karya, work, job. Barrister, study of law. Yeah, I'm going to explain the lesson now. महात्मा गांधी पार्ट 13. विश्व को प्रभावित करने वाले आधुनिक युग के महापुरुषों में महात्मा गांधी का नाम अग्रगण्य है. Okay, in this modern world, who really leads in this modern world was Mahatma Gandhi, who really influenced the people with his great deed. Whatever he did to make this India free from the British rule. So his great deed was still remembered. He is an ideal person for everyone. गांधी जी का पूरा नाम मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी है. गांधी जी फुल नेम इज मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी. इनका जन्म 2 अक्टूबर सन 1869 को गुजरात के पोरबंदर नामक स्थान पर हुआ था. He was born on 2nd October of 1869 in Gujarat, in Porbandar, in the place of पोरबंदर. इनकी शिक्षा राजकोट के भावनगर में हुई थी. He got his education in Rajkot of Bhavnagar in Gujarat itself. मैट्रिक परीक्षा पास करके वे बैरिस्ट्री पढ़ने के लिए इंग्लैंड गए. After he passed his metric exam, he went to England to study his law. As he wanted to become a lawyer, so he went to England to study law. वहाँ उन्होंने माता को दिए वचनों को पूरी तरह पालन किया. In England, he followed the rules and the regulation that his mother taught him, and whatever he has promised his mother, he fulfilled there by obeying everything of his mother's words. बैरिस्ट्री पास करके वे भारत लौटे. After he passed his law, he came back to India. मुंबई में आकर उन्होंने वकालत का कार्य शुरू किया. After he returned to Mumbai, started learning law. As I told you, he wanted to become a lawyer, so he started practicing the learning of law. तभी एक मुकदमे की पेशगी के लिए उन्हें दक्षिण अफ्रीका जाना पड़ा. But meanwhile, he got a case which he has to attend in Africa. So he went to Africa to handle the case that was given to him. अफ्रीका से लौटने पर भारत की स्वतंत्रता को कुचलने वाले अत्याचारी अंग्रेज सरकार के विरुद्ध सत्याग्रह और असहयोग आंदोलन का आरंभ किया. After he returned from Africa, what he saw was that the Indian were suffering in the hand of British. So he decided to fight against this British. So he started two organizations, that is the movement. He started two movements. One is Satyagraha, and another one is Asahayog. Okay, Asahayog, they started these two movement. Then इनके त्याग तथा तप के सफल स्वरूप भारत 15 अगस्त 1947 को स्वतंत्रता हुआ. So Satyagraha is a kind of movement in which Asahayog means to boycott the products, the goods, the materials from the British company. He asked the people of India not to buy, not to use any product of the British company. Use your own, the Indian made, the India's companies, goods and materials you have to use. Stop using the goods, materials and product of British. So he boycott. And this movement was done very patiently. There is no violence. Without violence, he started this movement. And at last, in the year of 1947, India got freedom from the British rule. इस महापुरुष की हत्या नथुराम गोडसे के हाथों 30 जनवरी 1948 को हुआ. Unluckily, but as soon as we got the freedom from the British, the very next year, that means in 1948, Mahatma Gandhi was shot dead by Nathuram Godse. He shot him dead. So गांधी जी आज हमारे बीच नहीं है. Of course, Gandhi ji was not among with us anymore. तथापि हमें उनके आदर्शों को नहीं भूलना चाहिए. Still, we should not forget his great deed, his role in making the India freedom. We should not forget his path. We have to follow his path. We must try to become like Gandhiji, and always work hard, always be patient, always do everything without fighting, without aggregation. So हमारा कर्तव्य है कि हम उनके बनाए मार्ग पर चलें. So what's our duty is to walk on the path that Gandhiji used to follow. So follow him and be like Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. Some exercise portions I'm going to tell you here. Fill in the blanks. This fill in the blanks could be done by reading this lesson. You will find all the answers, all the words from this lesson itself to fill this blank. And some questions like निम्नलिखित प्रश्नों के उत्तर दीजिए means answer the following question. गांधी जी का पूरा नाम क्या है? What is the full name of महात्मा गांधी? गांधी जी का पूरा नाम मोहनदास करमचंद है. The name of महात्मा गांधी is करमचंद गांधी. गांधी जी की शिक्षा कहाँ हुई? Where did he get his education? He got his education in Rajkot of Bhavnagar in Gujarat itself. Is it? Then another one is गांधी जी की हत्या किसने और कब किया? When and who murdered Gandhiji? Gandhiji was murdered by Nathuram in the year of 1947. That 30 January in 1948, he was shot dead by Nathuram Godse. So these are the words. So here are the निम्नलिखित शब्दों के विलोम शब्द लिखिए. You are going to make this. Vilom means opposite word. Okay, opposite word. You have to write the opposite word of this given word. Adhunik means modern. So modern opposite is Adhunik means in Hindi prachin. Adhunik means modern. We are old. Okay. Swatantrata means independence. So Adhin means rule over, under. Shuru starts, begin. Khatam, end, finished. Pura, all. So, Adha means half. Bhulna, to forget. याद रखना, to remember. आधुनिक प्राचीन स्वतंत्रता आधीन, शुरू, खत्म, पूरा, आधा, भूलना, याद रखना. So these are the exercise portions. Thank you.